What's going on, everybody? Car Guy V8 here with another video, and behind me we've got my 79 Sierra and my 85 C10, and today we're going to be doing some steering wheel swapping. So let's take a look at the trucks and see what we've got going on. So here's the 79, and the steering wheel in it actually isn't too bad. It's out of a late 80s, probably Sonoma would be my guess, since it's got the GMC button. And it's not a bad steering wheel. It's actually in great condition. But since I'm making this a muscle truck, I didn't want to run this steering wheel. So I'm actually going to be putting this steering wheel in the C10 because I'm going to, of course, put a different button on it. Maybe even a Chevrolet emblem over the GMC. I don't know. Depends on if I could find another button. But here's the steering wheel. Here, I'm trying to shield the sun. Here's the steering wheel in the 85, and it is trashed. And so I figure, I bought one steering wheel to go in the 79, and I figured that steering wheel would look great in here. So that's what we've got going on. I've only got one adapter, so you're probably not going to see the GMC steering wheel. You're probably not going to see the GMC steering wheel go in this truck today, but you'll definitely see a steering wheel in this one. Now, let me show y'all what steering wheel I bought. Let's see, I've got it sitting here. I bought a Forever Sharp with the GMC button. This thing's going to look great in that GMC, I tell you. I cannot wait to get this thing in. I've got my adapter right here. So, let's get started. The steering wheel swap in these trucks is fairly straightforward. Basically, just keep the wheels straight so that whenever you put on the new steering wheel, it's not crooked. Pop off the horn button. You've got a nut down in there. I've also got this. I've had this pulley, harmonic balancer steering wheel puller for a long time now. This will pull that steering wheel right off. I've got the puller hooked up to it. So now all that's left is just basically tightening that up and pulling the steering wheel out. Just like that, the old wheel is out. Let's set it next to the new one. Oh, man, this one's going to be great. One of my friends has this steering wheel on his OBS Chevy, and I loved it. So that's why I got this. It's a little bit smaller, but that's going to be perfect for this truck, I believe. So now it's time to figure out how all this bracketry works. Since this Forever Sharp adapter has several little pieces, included this card, need instructions and videos. So I'm actually going to check that out real quick, make sure I don't do anything wrong. So first we have the spacer, which I already put it where I want it. Then we have the cover here, if I can get it in with one hand. It's going to go right there. Then we actually have the adapter here for the Forever Sharp steering wheel. That's going to go right in there, and I'm going to bolt it in. And the steering wheel will pretty much be ready to go on. Here it is all bolted together. Looks pretty good. I did have to do a little wiring because I forgot that the Forever Sharp actually has two wires instead of the one factory wire. So I did that real quick. And now time to get the actual steering wheel on. Look at that steering wheel. Man, I'm happy with that. That's exactly what I wanted. And I had a blonde moment earlier. I was thinking I didn't have another adapter to put the other steering wheel in the C10. But then it occurred to me that that was just a factory steering wheel. So I think I can go and throw that in real quick, and we'll see what it looks like in the C10. Look at that. That is, man, that is perfect. Here is the GMC steering wheel in the C10. I'm probably going to get a new button for the middle, a Chevrolet one from a S10 or something. If I can't find one of those, I'll probably just get a Chevy emblem and put on that to cover that GMC. But it looks pretty good in here. I'm happy with the way the steering wheel's turned out. And thank y'all for watching. Please comment, like, and subscribe.